Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign into your Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to suno.com. Suno.com or Suno AI is used to create music using the AI features. So you can easily create music, but first you must sign into your account. So let's go ahead and click on sign in, which is here on the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. Click on sign in and you can see there are various ways to sign into your account. Apple, Discord, Google, Microsoft and your phone number. All of these can be used to sign in to your Suno AI account. If you don't have your Suno AI account, don't you worry, because it is quite easy to create a Suno AI account. Go ahead and select these interface with which you have registered to Suno, or select any interface if you want to create a new account. So go ahead and select the Google account. If you have selected Google, you can see that in a while you will immediately be signing. So it's quite easy and effective to sign in using your Google account. But if you have your Discord, Microsoft or Apple ID, you can sign in or create your account with them as well. I hope this video about how you can sign into your Suno account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.